Hey y'all, so I am back and this video has been highly anticipated. Y'all love when I do my jewelry videos because I be coming with the bomb jewelry pieces. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video, so let's get into it. Okay y'all, so first of all, I have some items that were sent to me from ITALO jewelry. So I'm going to show you these pieces first. I love the packaging, very luxe. And then I have some pieces that you guys have been wanting to know where they're from and stuff like that. So this is the box. So pretty. And yeah, it just looks really expensive. They have all kinds of stuff on the website, blingy stuff and all of that type of stuff that y'all know I love. So it does come with these little bags that you can kind of keep your jewelry in. You have exchange information and all kinds of paperwork in here. It comes with a cleaning cloth, paperwork, all kind of stuff. So it's just real luxe. So if you could see, this is how it looks on the inside. It says ITALO jewelry, and then you have the actual boxes of the jewelry. And this is so nice and looks, like I said once before, it just looks very expensive, like from a jewelry store. So this is the box and it's a nice navy blue color, and then I already opened it, so it was probably put in here a lot better, but this is the first item that I got, and this is actually a necklace. And y'all know I love my bling necklaces, and the ones that I have usually have round stones in them, and this one is a princess cut stone, which is a square shape. So I was like, let me add this to my collection because I don't have anything like this, and I had already looked at something like this online that I was planning to order anyway. So I was like, they have it, it's pretty, let me just pick it up. So let me show y'all. I'm trying to make sure that I have it the right way. This is how the necklace would look. I didn't actually fasten it, so it may be a little bit tighter than what it looks, but this is it, and it's so beautiful and blingy, just beautiful. So I love that. It's not on, like I said, but I'll leave it on for now. So also along with that, I did get the bracelet to match. And the bracelet is in a separate box because what came in the other little box is actually some rings that I picked up. So this one comes the same way with the paperwork and all of that jazz. And then here is the actual bracelet. Now with the bracelet, I wasn't as excited when I opened it because I do like how big the princess cut or squares are on the necklace. So I was expecting the bracelet to be the same because I'm just extra, y'all, and that's what I like. But this one is much more dainty, small, very cute. And what I was thinking is that this will be so cute, I can pair it with some other tennis bracelets, like in the regular round shape. Like that would just make it a nice little set, but I need to order some, and it looks really small, so I don't even know if I could fit it. But this is the bracelet, so it's super cute. I also got a ring set as well. They did split the ring set up into 2 separate boxes, but they all were a set of 3 that came together. So I'm just going to take them all out and show you. And I love bling, like I already said. So these rings are a size 7 and they came in a set. So you can wear these individually because they are already very blingy, but you can stack them together and make a really nice look on the rings. So this is the rings that I got. As you can see, the first one here is more of a pear type of shape. The second one is like a heart shape, and the last one is kind of like a emerald or rectangular type of shape. Compare them up and wear them all together if you would like. They're really pretty. Let me take these off so y'all are not confused. But yeah, they are really pretty. And you could stack them together, all 3. You could put 2. You could just wear 1. You can put this with something else. It is so pretty. Those are the pieces that I got from ITALO jewelry. I hope I'm saying that right. So now we're going to move into some other things that I have that are from other places. Okay, so those are the first pieces. You can check out their website. I will link it down below for you dolls. Also, I did want to cover the jewelry that I'm wearing now because I know I'm probably going to get questions like, well, where is that from? Because you didn't talk about it in the video. This tennis necklace that I have on now is actually from Gold Presidents. I showed this one before in my other video. I will link that video down below. And it came with an initial letter, which I have a K, but right now on it I do have my Chanel little logo pendant, and this was actually from a local jewelry store that I had for years and years. So I'm not really sure where you can order this online, but you know, it just came like on a regular little skinny snake chain, but I put it on this and I thought that it was cute, and I've been wearing it like every day lately. So that's my necklace. And then my earrings are from Amazon, if anyone is wondering. I have my 3 earring piercings here. So I love jewelry and bling and diamonds and stuff. And I was born in April, so diamond is my birthstone. But yeah, so also my rings. This ring is from the little jewelry site that I used to have, that I used to sell jewelry on. So this was, you know, from my personal collection. This one, I don't remember where it's from, but it's just like a simple little ring with some stones in it. And then these 2 rings are from a company that I did a review for. I can't think of the name of the company, but I will link their video down below as well if anyone is wondering. But this is kind of similar to those other rings that I just showed you that are very blinged out, and then I stacked them together. Okay. So, and also my watch, because I get questions about my watch all the time. My watch face is from an Amazon seller, I believe. I will put the face down below. But then my watch band is from AliExpress, or you can also find it on eBay, and it is a blinged out one. Really pretty. Y'all know I love my diamonds and bling, like I was just saying. Okay, so let's get into some other pieces. Matter of fact, while we're on the Apple Watch subject, I did get a face that I haven't tried out yet. This one came from Sky B, and this is by Rachel and Victoria. So this is an Apple Watch face, and let me just open this part so you can really see it. This is the one that I chose. I chose a silver one because I usually wear silver most of the time, although I do have gold watch bands and stuff and faces, but this is the one that I chose. And the diamonds are kind of like a different style. I forgot exactly what this style is called, but they do have several different ones that are not just plain. So I picked this one up so I can give my watch a little bit of a different flair. So I probably need to switch out the face and try this one out because I haven't actually worn it yet. I've been waiting to film this video, and I wanted to do, you know, several jewelry pieces and not just show this. So now for the moment that you all have been waiting for. Okay, so this necklace set I wore in my release video of my merch line and some other videos as well, but I got so many questions about this necklace. So this is the necklace, super pretty, and this necklace has like a larger square cut diamond, and then it also has little diamonds going around it. Obviously it's not real diamonds. And this is a set that I picked up from AliExpress. So let me do a close-up. This is a set from AliExpress. The necklace, I believe, is 18. I prefer 16, but it didn't come in 16, I don't believe. So this is the necklace. You can also get it in gold. I actually ordered the gold one for my mom because she saw mine and loved it. So yeah, and then I also have the matching bracelet that goes with the necklace as well. Super blingy and pretty, and I like to wear these on a normal day or a day whenever I want to dress up a little bit more. That those 2 pieces are more so dressy. So then the next pieces that I have are also from AliExpress. This next one is my charm necklace, and I also have the bracelet to match. And I've had this one for quite a while, and y'all asked me about it. The way that the chain is actually made is like a bezeled type of chain. So they do have some that are just kind of like regular little crystals in it, but this one is like, so yeah, this one is like bezeled. I don't know if y'all can see that, and also the letters are as well. The way that the letters came on here, it wasn't super secure, so I did add my own little circle rings, whatever, to it to make it more secure, because these won't come off. Initially when I first wore this out was when I went to Atlanta, like back at the end of December last year, and one of the letters had fallen off of my bracelet one night when we went out to a bar. So I was like, you know, good thing I heard it and I seen that it fell off. So whenever I came back home, I did go and pick up those little jump ring type things to fix it myself. So mine says Kooch on it, as you can see. And my mom was so obsessed with this. She was like, I want to get one, but maybe I'm too old. Like, what do I get on it? Like, what would I even get put on it? What would I get for the name? And I was like, Mama, you don't really need this, but I mean, if you want it, you could get it, and you could get it without the letters if you wanted to as well. But the bracelet was the main thing that I really wanted. I wanted the bracelet the most, but then when I saw that they had the necklace as well, I picked that up. And I had been wanting a set like this for a really long time, but like I said, I already had it since last year. But before that, I had been looking for it for a really long time, and all of the sites that were selling it were sites that I didn't really know, didn't trust, and they were more expensive than, of course, AliExpress. But it still was a pretty expensive set. It wasn't cheap. Neither one of those little sets that I just showed you, it's not like $20 or something. I don't remember the exact price, but it is more up there, but they are definitely worth the little investment. So yeah, I really love both of those sets. I will link those down below. And then also some other things that I had picked up that y'all asked about, that y'all have already kind of saw, is I picked up these earrings, and these say Kooch as well. Everything says Kooch. And these are in a old English Gothic type of font. And I just thought these were so cute, because back in the day I used to have some hoops, but I had my first name on them and they were so much smaller. But these are so cute, so you can kind of see how big they are. They're not as big as some hoops that I normally wear, but they are big enough, you know, to my liking, that I would still wear them. So I have them in the silver color, and I also have them in the gold color as well, because y'all know me, I gotta have both. So these are the gold ones. And for these, I think the earrings didn't take as long, because I have a necklace to match as well. But I think the necklaces, it was either the necklaces or the earrings. One of them took really long to come in, but I've had this stuff since last year. So right now, with everything that's going on, any of this stuff that you're ordering, like from AliExpress, I don't know how long it's gonna take, because, you know, I've been waiting on packages, not from AliExpress particularly, but some things are taking a lot longer. So these are the gold ones. But yeah, so I have the gold, and then I also have necklaces to match. So the necklaces came in these kind of little containers, and the necklaces and the earrings are from two different sellers. And I really wanted, you know, to have the old English type of font, but then I wanted the chain to be like a linked chain like this, where the chain is more thicker. So yeah, I wanted a thicker type of chain, so this is what I went with. I believe this one is either a 16 or 18 inch. I can't remember, but I have the silver one, and then of course I also have it in the gold color as well. And this little case is actually quite interesting and cool, because it's kind of like a plasticky type feeling material in there, but it does hold your necklace really secure. And I feel like it also probably will help it not to tarnish, because no air is getting to it. So then here is the gold one as well. Let me do a little close up. So those are those pieces. Those are all of the jewelry pieces that I have. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.